These are notes for lesson 6-1, part 3. Today we spent the entire class period going over the homework. So all we're doing is a couple more examples about compositions. So here are our new equations. F of x equals 2x plus 3. G of x equals negative x squared. We will start by finding f of g of x. So just like we did yesterday, we will change f of g of x into its other format. And we know what g of x equals. G of x is negative x squared. So that means that we're actually finding f of negative x squared, which means everywhere you saw an x previously, you now put a negative x squared. So this equals 2 times negative x squared plus 3. When you distribute, you get negative 2x squared plus 3. And that one is done. Then we're going to find g of f of x. Again, we're going to rewrite it as g of f of x. So now we're taking f of x, which we know is 2x plus 3. And the 2x plus 3 is going to be plugged in for the x into the g equation. So this is going to be the opposite of 2x plus 3 squared. Since 2x plus 3 is a binomial, you have to FOIL to square it. So this means 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3, which is 4x squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 9. So our final answer is negative 4x squared minus 6x minus 6x minus 9. And when you add like terms, it's negative 4x squared minus 12x minus 9. Let's try it again. This time, f of x is going to equal x minus 4, and g of x is going to equal x squared minus 10. So we're looking for f of g of x, which is really f of g of x, written in the other manner. G of x is x squared minus 10. So if we're looking for f of x squared minus 10, then we take our x squared minus 10 and substitute into the f equation. Then we simplify and get x squared minus 14. We should also find g of f of x. And f of x, again, is x minus 4. So we're trying to find g of x minus 4. So we substitute that into the g equation. X minus 4 is a binomial. So to square that, you are going to FOIL. This gives you x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16 minus 10. When you add like terms, you get x squared minus 8x plus 6. One more set of examples. F of x is going to equal negative 2x squared. G of x will equal 5 minus x. So as always, we're starting with f of g of x. And we're going to change that into the other format. G of x is 5 minus x. We are finding f of 5 minus x. So negative 2 times the quantity 5 minus x squared. It's a binomial. When you square a binomial, you FOIL. Which gives us 25 minus 5x minus 5x plus x squared. I will add like terms. Then you should distribute. And we always write the answer with the terms in descending order. So the answer is negative 2x squared plus 20x minus 50. So now let's find g of f of x. Again, rewrite it. We still know what f of x is. So we are looking for g of negative 2x squared. We substitute that in. Minus a negative means plus a positive. And we want to write it in descending order. 2x squared plus 5. Your homework is on page 390, numbers 41 to 46. Also, you should find f of g of x, f of h of x, h of f of x, and g of f of x. For those last 4 problems, you should use the equations that were given in the directions for 41 through 46.